Let's take a look at this example. We have given angle B, which is acute angle. We have given opposite side to the given angle, and we have given adjacent side to the given angle. So when we have acute angle given and we have two sides given, and one of them is the opposite side, we're supposed to consider three options for the answer. We can build one triangle from the given data, we can build two triangles, or basically there is no solution. We cannot build a triangle. So let's check how many triangles we can make from the given data. What we're supposed to do first, we're supposed to draw the diagram. Of course, we're supposed to draw the triangle, and we're supposed to draw the altitude of the triangle. And we're supposed to always draw the altitude to the side which is not given. So we have given side A and B. Side C is not given, that's why I'm supposed to draw the perpendicular line, which is my altitude, to side C. And this is my H, my altitude. Please notice that we have right triangle, okay? Because angle B is given. I'm supposed to find the length of H. In order to find length of H, I'm supposed to use formula for sine of angle B. Sine of angle B is equal H over A. Opposite side of the right triangle over hypotenuse. In order to find H, I have to multiply both sides of my formula by A, because I want to eliminate fraction. So if H is equal A sine B, where A is equal 85 centimeters, and I have sine of angle B, which is equal 41 degrees. Use the calculator and you're supposed to get the value of 55.76 centimeters. Okay, this is the value of H. Please notice that H is less than A, and both of them are less than B. So, what does it mean? Let's take a look at the picture. This is my angle. Okay, this is side A. H, if it's less than these two sides, okay, I mean it's less than A, and if it's less than B, we're supposed to realize that there is one solution or two solutions. Next, we're supposed to look at the length of the sides of the triangle. So if B is going to stay in the position like it is right now, we're going to be able to maintain angle B having 41 degrees. Okay, so this is one of the solutions if I'm going to have triangle like this one. Someone is going to say, oh, we can make another triangle with this side if we are going to move side B in the opposite direction, right, in the other direction. But if you are going to move B in the other direction, I mean you are going to bring this down, you are going to open this angle. Remember, you cannot change the value of this angle. So in this case, because the opposite side to the angle is greater than the adjacent side, we have just one solution. One solution because you cannot move side B, okay, somewhere over here because you are going to open the angle. Angle always has to stay the same. So we are going to have just one solution. So in order to find the missing angles and missing side, we're supposed to use again a law of sines. Look first what we have given. We have side B given and angle B given. So I have to start from B over sine of angle B equals, because I have A given, I'm supposed to write A over sine of angle A. I have three pieces of information. I can find the fourth one. I'm supposed to perform the cross multiplication, and we will get B sine of angle A is equal A sine of angle B. In order to find angle A, I'm supposed to divide both sides of my equation by B. So B and B will cancel out, and I will have sine of angle A equals A sine of angle B over side B. In order to find angle A, I'm supposed to find the inverse of sine, and I have A sine of angle B over side B, which is equal inverse sine, and I have A equals 85 centimeters sine of angle B, which is equal 41 degrees, over side B, which is equal 103 centimeters. Centimeters and centimeters will cancel out. Use the calculator and calculate everything at one time. You're supposed to get the value of angle A, 32.78 degrees. Okay, this is my angle A. Next, we're supposed to find the third angle, which is angle C. Please keep in mind that the sum of all angles in the triangle is always equal 180 degrees. So if you want to find angle C, you're supposed to simply subtract from 180 degrees angle A, and you're supposed to subtract also angle B. This is equal 180 degrees minus angle A, which is equal 32.78 degrees, minus angle B, which is equal 41 degrees. Okay, this is equal 106.22 degrees. Okay, this is my angle C. If you want to find, we have no choice. We have to find side C. We're supposed to use, again, first the given data. So I have B over sine of angle B equals, because I'm looking for side C, I'm supposed to write C over sine of angle C. Again, we're supposed to perform the cross multiplication, and we will obtain C sine of angle B equals B sine of angle C. In order to find C, I'm supposed to divide both sides of my equation by sine of angle B. Okay, so I'm going to end up with, let me just write this over here. Okay, I'm simply copying this formula up. So I have C is equal B sine of angle C over sine of angle B, which is equal 103 centimeters sine of angle C, which is equal 106.22 degrees, over sine of angle B, which is equal 41 degrees. This is equal, C is equal 150.74 centimeters. Okay, let me just remind you that we have one solution because side B is longer than side A, and we found the missing angles. We found angle A and we found angle C. We have also find side C. So we can say that the problem is solved.